वेलकम एवरीवन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग विद रोशन सर। इस वीडियो पे हम आपको मैथ, फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड वीडियो प्रोवाइड करेंगे और साथ ही प्रोवाइड करेंगे वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स की नॉलेज। हमारे चैनल की सारी वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। Here we start with the chapter linear equations. Very first of all, a question arises what this chapter linear equation means. So here the linear means the polynomial of degree 1 and the equations is the polynomial equated by a rational number. And here we get the general equation of a linear equation. Here a and b are constant and x is a variable. Then we have the rules for solving the linear equation. The very first one is we can add or subtract same number on both sides. And the next one is we can multiply or divide both sides by the same non-zero number or expression. We also have the rule of transposition which states a term may be transposed from one side to another side of the equation, but its signs will be changed. Now let's start with the equation exercises. Let's start with the first question, first part. Here we are having 2 in a bracket 3 minus 2x equals to 13. Very first of all we are going to open the bracket. On opening the bracket we have got 6 minus 4x. Now we have to isolate the x. For that, first of all we are going to send the 6 on the other hand. Now as 6 is sent on the other hand, its sign is changed. It was plus on that side, it became minus on this side, and now we are going to solve it. And here we have got 7. Now minus 4 will be transposed from LHS to RHS, and on LHS minus 4 is multiplied by x. So in RHS it will be divided. And here we get the value of x as 7 upon minus 4. Now let's see second part of this question only. Here we are having 3 upon 5y minus 2 equals to 7 upon 10. So very first of all we are going to shift minus 2 from LHS to RHS. And here when it is transposed from LHS to RHS is got in a positive sign. Now we are going to add 7 upon 10 plus 2. And here we have got 27 upon 10 as the sum of 7 upon 10 and 2. Now we will make a transpose of 3 upon 5. Here 3 upon 5 is multiplied, so it will be divided on the other hand, or we can just multiply on the other side by making a reciprocal. Here we have multiplied 3 upon 5 to as a reciprocal over here as 5 upon 3 on the other side. Now we will solve it. Now we have got 9 upon 2 as the final answer, which can also be written as 4 whole 1 upon 2. Now let's see question number 2, second part. Here in this one we are having 2 outside the bracket, and in a bracket we are having x minus 3 upon 2, and that is equals to 11. Very first of all we are going to open the bracket, and here we have got this. Now minus 3 will be sent on the other side, and it became plus 3 on the other hand. Now 11 plus 3 is 14, and we have got x equals to 14 upon 2 as it was multiplied, so here it is divided. Now we can cancel it out, and we got 7 as our answer. Now let's see question number 3, first part. Here in this question we are having 7 in a bracket, x minus 2 in LHS. In RHS we are having 2 in a bracket, 2x minus 4. Very first of all we will open the brackets. Here we have got this. Now we are going to make a transpose by making all the variables on one side and all the constant on the other. So for that, this 4x will be written in LHS and this minus 14 will be sent in the RHS. Now here this was in positive, so it became minus, and this was in negative, so here it is in a positive. Now we'll solve it. Now on solving and then making a 3 on the other side by making transpose, we have got 6 upon 3 and we have got 2 as the final answer. Now let's see question number 4, first part. Here we are having a question in which LHS is 3x minus 1 upon 3 and RHS is equals to 2 in a bracket x minus 1 upon 2 plus 5. Now very first of all we will again open the bracket. After this will we put all the variable on the one side and all the constant on the other. And here we have got this. Now 3x minus 2x will be x, and 1 upon 3 this 5 and minus 1 we have got 4, and now we are going to just add these two, and finally we get the value of x as 4 whole 1 by 3. Now let's see the second part of this question also. Here in this question, in LHS we are having 2m upon 3 minus m upon 5 equals to 7. Now we are going to take LCM in the LHS and solve for m, and we get this. Now we make a transpose of this one on the other side and multiply it by the reciprocal of it. Now we'll solve it for m, and here we got the value of m as 15. Now let's go for the question number 5, second part. Here we are having in LHS 3p minus 2 upon 7 minus p minus 2 upon 4 equals to 2. Very first of all, we are going to take the LCM on this side and solve it. Now on opening a bracket over here, we have got 4 into 3, 12. 4 into minus 2 we have got minus 8. Then minus 7 into p we have got minus 7p. Then minus 7 into minus 2 we have got plus 14. And this 28 is sent on the other side, and as here it was dividing, so here it is multiplying. Now we will solve all the like terms, and we have got 5p plus 6 equals to 56. Now we will solve for p, and on solving we have got the value of p as 10. Now let's see question number 6. Here we are having a question 6, first part. Here in LHS we are having 1 upon 2 in a bracket x plus 5, then minus 1 by 3 in a bracket x minus 2 equals to 4. Very first of all, again we are going to take LCM in LHS, and we have got this. Now we'll open the bracket, and on opening the bracket and making a transpose of 6 on the other side, we have got this. Now we'll just solve the like terms, and then we'll make a transpose to find the value of x. And here we get the 5 as the answer for this question. Now let's see question number 7, first part. Here we are having x in both of the side in LHS and RHS also. Now here we are going to begin with taking LCM in the LHS. On taking LCM we have got this. Now we'll open the bracket and shift 35 on the other side. After this we can see that we can cancel out this 7 and 35, we get 5 over here. Now we can open the bracket as we assume that a bracket over here, and then we're going to solve the like terms on this side. After getting this, we'll just making all the variables on one side and all the constant on the other, and here we get this. Now on making a transpose of minus 7 on the other side, we have got x as minus 9. Now also see the second part of this one. Now in question number 7, second part, we are having x minus 1 upon 5 plus x minus 2 upon 2 in LHS. Then in RHS we are having x upon 3 plus 1. So we are going to take LCM on both of the side. And here we got this. Now open the bracket on both of the side, and here it is already open, so we have to open on one side only. Then we'll solve the like terms in the numerator of this one, and here we got this. Now we are going to do the cross multiplication over here, and after doing so we'll open the brackets. Then again we are going to put all the variables on one of the side and all the constant on the other, and here we get 11x equals to 66. Now we'll be shifting the 11 on the other side, and we have got x as 6. Now here we get question number 9, first part. We are been given with a percentage sign, and if we want to remove this percentage sign we have to divide by 100. So we can write this one as this. Now we are going to solve it, and on solving we have got this one. Now we are going to take LCM in LHS, and we have got this by taking LCM. Now we are going to put this 5 on the other hand and add these two like terms, and here on solving we have got 12, and then multiplying we got over here, then we have just sent minus 1 on the other side, and then we had made a transpose of 12 and we have got 36 upon 12. Now P will be equals to, now here we have in question number 10, and we have to find the value of P if the value of x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus px minus 5 equals to 23, where x is minus 2. So very first of all we are going to place the value of x as minus 2. After placing the value of x, now we'll solve the brackets, and here we have got this. Now we'll just putting this 2p on this LHS and other on RHS. Here on multiplying these two, minus 3 and minus 8, we have got plus 24, and this is transposed on the other hand to get minus 24, and these all are also being sent on the other hand. Now we'll solve it. Here on solving we have got minus 12, and now we're making a transpose of 2 and we get, and here we get the value of P as minus 6. That's all from this video. We are going to start with the next exercise in the next one. हमारे वीडियो में यहाँ तक बने रहने के लिए थैंक यू. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.